How is it going, everyone? And in today's video I'm gonna be turning this simple looking PS5 controller into this custom cyberpunk one. So if you like what you see, stay tuned and let's get started. Before we start painting, we are gonna take the controller completely apart and we're gonna clean it with IPA. When you're cleaning it, make sure to clean everything because otherwise the paint is gonna be peeling away really easy from the controller and you don't want that to happen. After you clean it with IPA, we are now gonna start with the primer. The primer is the part of the project that you cannot skip, otherwise your paint is just gonna peel off the plastic. I gave it around 2 to 3 coats of really thin coats of primer, and after giving it the primer coats, I left it to dry for 24 hours just to make sure that it was completely dry. You can leave it a bit less, but I wanted to give it 24 hours to dry to make sure that the paint is gonna stay on the controller after me using it almost every single day. The next day I started giving it some black coats of paint. I gave it 3 thin coats of paint because I'm using an airbrush. If you're using air cans for this, you maybe want to give it 1 or 2 because it's gonna be a lot thicker. I was not sure of using yellow on this part, but I'm really happy with the final results, and I even put a little bit of spray of black on it so it doesn't look so plain, and I'm really happy with the final result. After the paint was dried, I made sure to go ahead and prepare the stickers that are actually made from vinyl. I'm gonna use the negative part of them, so they're gonna become stencils, and I'm gonna use them to spray the logos and the designs on the controller. It's gonna make things a lot easier than just doing it by hand. After you finish removing everything that you need to remove from the stickers, you're gonna have the stencil, again the negative, and you're gonna spray 10 coats on them. Don't rush it and just make sure to give it a time to dry between coats. Don't let it dry completely so it doesn't peel off with the stencil, and remove it really slowly so you don't make a mess on the paint that is still wet. Don't let it dry because otherwise it's just gonna peel off with the sticker. Here is how it looks after it's completely dried. Now we are moving on to the cyberpunk logo that's gonna go in the touchpad. And again, make sure, don't forget 10 coats, 10 coats. I give it I think 3 or 4, and with the air I just quickly dry them before going for the second one, otherwise you're gonna make a mess. And as you can see again, I'm removing it before letting it dry. Don't let it dry. Now that we are done with the painting of the controller, I casted the buttons in some silicone molds. And this helped me to make buttons of the color that I wanted to make them. I didn't want to just paint the existing ones. I wanted to make completely new buttons, and I think I managed to do that. Every part of the mold takes around 6 hours to dry, so it took me around 2 days to make the molds. But the good thing, after they are done, you can cast as many buttons as you want. They're gonna decay, but before that you can make a lot of buttons out of them. For the logos of the buttons, I also use stickers and I also made them from vinyl. The resin takes 24 hours to cure, but it's not completely hardened, it's still soft, so you have to be really careful. After that, I remove the excess of resin and let them dry for around another 2 days for them to be completely hard. And here is how they look with everything put together. These are the stickers on top of the buttons, and I put some clear resin on top of them so the stickers don't peel away. This is the whole controller, all ready to put together after giving it some clear coat and sealing all the paint and everything. And now we are ready to put it completely back together. So this was a quick video of the process of me making this custom controller. I did not include everything on it, but if you have any questions in the comments down below, please let me know. I will make sure to respond to your comments, or even maybe make a video about the project or the process that you want to see. I think this is gonna last for a long time. I made sure for the paint to dry completely before even using it. I hope you enjoyed the final product. I hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions you have or anything you want to know about the project, please make sure to let me know in the comments down below. My name is EJ and I will see you on the next time. Bye.